my name is Julia and I'm an instructor at Aim High SAT Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at the ACT writing questions from our very own book, Aim High Academy Grammar Adventure Book. Almost 85% of the questions in the writing section of the ACT are grammar questions, and a common category of these questions are modifier questions. By studying each of these topics carefully, you'll be able to navigate the writing section of the ACT with confidence and get a better accuracy. Now let's read through this question. Questions like this ask you to look at the underlined portion and correct or improve that portion of the sentence. Let's read through it. If you want an excellent selection of foreign cuisine at a relatively inexpensive price, although at first glance it looks somewhat messy and chaotic, you should visit the cafeteria at the Atlanta Farmers Market. Now the word that should stand out to you the most here is the word looks, and that's what indicates that it is a modifier question. And since the word it directly precedes looks, we need to see what it is referring to. In this case, it is referring to the relatively inexpensive price of the foreign cuisine. Now, the way the sentence is written right now, it implies that the relatively inexpensive price is somewhat messy and chaotic. And that's not possible because we know that a price can't be messy or chaotic. So, the answer A, the no change answer, can be eliminated because the sentence as is isn't correct. Let's look at answer B. You should visit the cafeteria at, although at first glance looking somewhat messy and chaotic, the Atlanta Farmers Market. Now, in this case, you can see that the modifier is misplaced, and that's what we call a dangling modifier. So, we can eliminate B. C. You should visit the cafeteria at the Atlanta Farmers Market, although at first glance it looks somewhat messy and chaotic. That seems pretty good, so let's keep it in mind while we look at D and E. D, the word despite at the beginning of this sentence shows that the meaning is changed, and so we can eliminate it. And E, the word since at the beginning of this answer also changes the meaning, and it implies that you're going to the farmer's market because it's messy, not in spite of it, so we can eliminate E. That leaves us with the correct answer, C. Writing questions on the ACT and the SAT require certain skills and tactics, and you will learn these tactics this summer at Aim High SAT Academy. Thank you so much for watching.